Hello and good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week in story time, we talked about surprises. Yeah, surprises can be really fun. So the craft that we're gonna do this week, it's a cute little kitty, right? So adorable, right? What do cats do though? Surprise! This one caught a mouse. This craft is super duper fun. So when you come in to do your express checkouts, or even if you do curbside checkouts, you can request one of these and we will happily get it to you. So you're gonna get this sheet of paper like this and you're gonna fold it. You're gonna fold it right along the top edge of the kitty cat's mouth and fold it again so that it lines up and you just see a super cute kitty. And then you're gonna color everything in. Color in your cute little mouse and then cut that little mouse out and glue it to the inside so you can surprise somebody with your cute kitty and surprise! She caught a mouse. So what you will need in addition to these two pieces of paper, of course, crayons or colored pencils, markers, whatever you prefer. And you will need, of course, your trusty scissors and glue stick to glue that little mouse inside there. I drew some cute flowers and some sunshine and clouds. Your kitty cat could be wherever you want, even maybe outer space. That might be kind of cool. So I can't wait to see how your kitty cat turns out. We will definitely include the link to do this step by step, just in case I skipped over anything that you are a little confused about. So enjoy the surprise kitty. Have a great day. Can't wait to see you guys.